Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making a yellow cake with chocolate frosting in the Instant Pot. Alright guys, I'm starting out here at my springform pan, and I'm going to spray it with some cooking spray. Even though it's non-stick, this will help our cake come out when it's done easier. Alright, now I have a yellow box cake here. I mixed to the directions on the box. I'm going to dump half of that in because this is going to make 2 cakes. And I'm going to try to get this as even as possible so my next cake is close to the same size. Put a little more in there. I'm going to put my trivet down in my pressure cooker with the handles up. Now I'm going to dump a cup of water down on the bottom. I'm going to take foil and I'm going to cover over the top of that springform pan with foil. That will keep moisture and water from getting in on top of my cake. I should say additional moisture other than the moisture that's going to be inside there from steam. Now I'm going to sit this down in the pressure cooker. Alright guys, now my Instant Pot has a cake setting. I'm going to push that. That's for 40 minutes. If your Instant Pot doesn't have a cake setting or you're doing it in a regular pressure cooker, just give it 40 minutes on high pressure. I'm going to go ahead and seal my lid on here. Make sure I'm set on airtight. Now when my 40 minutes are up, I'll do a quick release of the pressure. I'll pull that out and then I'll let it cool. Take the foil off and let it cool on the counter for about a half hour, 45 minutes. So I'm sure it's nice and cool before we icing it. Alright guys, my cake is done. It's all cool. That's cool for about an hour, and I had to give it an additional 5 minutes. So cooked for 45 minutes in the pressure cooker. It wasn't quite done after 40 minutes. It's all cooled off. Let's go ahead and ice this. And guys, a little tip: when you icing your cake, make sure your icing is room temperature. Because if you put your icing in the refrigerator, it's just going to rip your cake apart. Okay, guys, now my cake is all iced up. Let's go ahead and cut a slice out of it and see how it is. All right, guys, let me get in here and give this a try. I can tell already by the way it cut, it's nice and moist. That's really delicious. Nice and moist. Good texture. The icing's good. That's a really delicious cake, guys. And if you use a box cake, it's not really hard at all. Alright, there you have it. Yellow cake with chocolate icing in the Instant Pot. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.